Shine bright up all night. Whenever
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I would be sharing with you in this tutorial a quick and easy burgundy green halo eye makeup look. If you're wearing a burgundy color attire and if it has green in it, together it is burgundy and green combined color attire, then please give this halo eye makeup look a try. I have highlighted the mid crease using liquid eyeshadow. If you're interested in knowing how to get this step by step, then please continue watching. I'm picking this eyeshadow. This is the first eyeshadow that I would be using on my crease. Move the brush back and forth. I'm using a flat fluffy brush. Next I'm using this burgundy eyeshadow. I would be packing this eyeshadow on my outer V. Mix this eyeshadow with the crease eyeshadow. Move the brush in circular motion. Let it blend with the first eyeshadow, crease eyeshadow. Keep moving here in circular motion. Hold the brush very lightly. Now applying it on my inner corner. Join both and begin blending with the crease eyeshadow. I'm using this black to deepen the outer and the inner corners. Black is a very pigmented eyeshadow. Take a little pat and begin blending it with the burgundy eyeshadow. Join both. Let it mix with the crease eyeshadow. Next I would be cleaning my eye mid. I'm packing this parrot green eyeshadow here. This is not that pigmented. To intensify this further, I would be using Shine Green eyeshadow. This is from Swiss Beauty Shine eyeshadow palette. I'm picking this eyeshadow and applying on top of the first green eyeshadow applied to intensify it further. Next, I'm using liquid eyeshadow to highlight my crease line, the mid crease. I'm using eyeliner wand, liquid eyeliner wand. Liquid eyeliners in silver shade are available, but liquid eyeshadow that I am using is very pigmented. Hence, I have used liquid eyeshadow as eyeliner to highlight my crease line. Use the wand of an eyeliner, but use liquid eyeshadow as eyeliner to highlight your crease line. Next, I am creating winged eyeliner. After creating winged eyeliner, I am creating pointed inner corner. Next, I am coating kajal on my waterline. I am applying burgundy eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Next, I would be coating mascara. Move the wand in upward direction multiple times. When you are applying mascara on your lower eyelashes, hold the wand vertically. Individual eyelashes are targeted and mascara application this way is easier. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this tutorial, if you found this tutorial helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.